What if your desktop could look more modern, cleaner, and more customizable than both Windows 11 and macOS? Linux has quietly become a powerhouse for beautiful desktop design, and today we're looking at 4 Linux distributions that can completely change the way your computer looks and feels. First up is Zorin OS. If you want a polished desktop that feels familiar but still looks incredibly modern, Zorin OS is one of the best choices. Its interface is clean, elegant, and highly customizable, with different desktop layouts that can make your system feel like Windows, macOS, or something completely unique. Smooth animations, beautiful icons, and a carefully designed interface make Zorin OS feel less like traditional Linux and more like a premium operating system. Next is KDE Neon. Built around the powerful KDE Plasma desktop, KDE Neon gives you an incredible amount of control over almost every visual detail. You can customize themes, icons, panels, widgets, animations, and window behavior. Plasma can be minimalist and professional or futuristic and flashy, depending on your taste. And because KDE is constantly evolving, the desktop continues to become more polished. Third is Garuda Linux. This one is for users who want their desktop to make a statement. Garuda's Dr. 469th edition features a dramatic, futuristic design with glowing effects, transparency, modern widgets, and a highly customized KDE Plasma environment. It looks nothing like the traditional image many people have of Linux. If Windows feels too ordinary and macOS feels too restrictive, Garuda can feel like a completely different world. Finally, we have Ubuntu Budgie. It combines the reliability of Ubuntu with the elegant Budgie desktop environment. The result is a clean, modern, and surprisingly beautiful interface that avoids unnecessary complexity. Budgie focuses on simplicity while still providing plenty of customization options, making it ideal for users who want something attractive without constantly tweaking every little detail. And that's the real advantage of Linux. You aren't locked into one visual identity. Windows 11 and macOS give you carefully designed experiences, but Linux lets you decide what your desktop should look like. Whether you prefer elegant, futuristic, minimalist, or completely customized designs, these 4 distros prove that Linux isn't just powerful. It can be absolutely gorgeous too.